Hello, welcome to this video. Here we are going to learn do while loop. First look at the program for printing numbers from 1 to n using while loop. Now in this program we are initialize variable I is equal to 1, that is initialized it, which is we are going to use for controlling execution of loop, that is in while. In the condition we use I less than equal to n, and within the while we increment or update that variable. So statements under while loops are get executed when condition in while loop is true, and this condition is checked before entering to the while loop. So that is why while is entry control loop. Do while is little bit opposite to that. Do while is an exit controlled loop, opposite to that of while, which is entry control loop. Statements inside the body of do while are repeatedly executed till the condition is true, similar to that of the while. Loop body will be executed first, and then condition is checked, which is opposite to that of while, where condition is checked first. If it is true, then it will execute loop body. If condition is true, the body of loop is executed again, and the condition is evaluated. This process goes on till the condition becomes false. If condition is false, then loop ends. Let's look at the syntax of do while. Keyword do, then set of statements or body of do while given within open close curly bracket. After closing curly bracket, keyword while, then within parenthesis condition is given, then semicolon is there. Semicolon is important in case of do while. It is not there in while loop. So here it tells the computer do following task, that is set of statements are executed. Then it checks the condition. If condition is true, then it will go back to do. It will tell it to do it again, then check condition. If it is true, then go back. So here execute this set of statements, then check the condition. That is why it is entry control. So exit control, whether to exit from the loop or not, that is decided here. Let's look at the program to print odd numbers between 1 to n. So that means to keyboard we enter a number n, and from 1 to n we display only odd numbers. So here it is program. I declare int I and n. I initialize to 1, that is for controlling the loop execution. Using printf scanf, we enter value of n, that is number n, up to which you want to display odd numbers. So using do while, keyword do is there, then open curly bracket. Within this, we are check if I percent 2, that means I mod 2, which finds remainder, that is I divided by 2, it gives the remainder. If remainder not equal to 0, this is not equal to sign, is 0, that means number is odd. So it will print that number, printf percent %d I. So value of I, which was after division of 2, if there is a remainder, it will print this value. That is using printf percent %d I, print the value of I. This is the part under if. If this is not true, it will skip this part. Then it will increment the value of I using I is equal to I plus 1 or I plus plus. That is update the value of I. Then close curly bracket of 2. Then after that, while keyword and condition I less than equal to n. While I less than equal to n, if it is true, that means value of I is less than n. Then it will go back here to execute this. Again, it will check the value if I mod 2, I percent 2 is not equal to 0, then it print the value. So let's look at the output. Suppose I enter 5, so it will display initially 1 will be displayed, then value of I will be updated, it will be 2, I less than 5, yes, 2 is less than 5, so it will come here. I value of I is 2, so 2 mod 2 is 0. This condition is false, so this part printf statement will not execute it. Then I is equal to I plus 1, I becomes 3. Is it less than 5? Yes, so it will go back and check the condition. If I mod 2, that is 3 mod 2, remainder is there, so it will print value of I, that is 3 will be printed. So forth, it will execute the program. Next, we'll write program to find factors of a number using do while. Same program we have written using for loop. So here I declare two variable I and n. Value of I is initialized to 1 because I want to use I as a conditional variable. Then using printf scanf, we'll enter n whose factors are to be find or display. Then do open curly bracket within that if and condition n if n percent I, that is n mod I equal 0. That means n divided by I. If remainder is 0, that means I is the factor of n. So if it is, then if condition is true, then we print the value of I, printf percent d I. If not, it will skip. Then after this, if it will update the value of I, increment the value of I by 1 using I is equal to I plus 1 or I plus plus. You can use this statement as well. Then close curly bracket. Then while condition I less than equal to n semicolon. If this condition is true, that means value of I is less than n, then it will go back here from do. It will execute same set of statement. So suppose I enter 6. So factors of 6 are 1, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 6 will be displayed. Let's write one more program. Print reverse a number. That means we will enter a number, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-digit number, and which is to be displayed in reverse order. That is 4, 3, 2, 1. So here I declare variable n using printf scanf. I'll enter a number n, or the value of n is to be entered through the keyboard. Then keyword do, open curly bracket. Then in printf statement, percent %d. In place of percent %d, I'll pass n percent 10. That means whatever number we pass divide by 10. So here, for example, we are passing 1, 2, 3, 4 as a 4-digit number. If we divide 1, 2, 3, 4 divide by 10, so remainder of this one will be 4. So it will print 4. Okay. Then after that, n is equal to n by 10. So here it is again, n is an integer. So n is equal to n by 10, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10. If you do, it will give division, and division will be the complete number 1, 2, 3. Point part will not be there. It will be truncated because we declare n as an integer. If it is full, if it is float, then it would have considered that decimal part. Okay. So n is equal to n by 10. It will give value of new value of n is 1, 2, 3. Then we'll after that close curly bracket, then we'll check condition, that is while condition n not equal to 0 semicolon. So value of n is not equal to 0. Yes. So it will go back here in then printf percent %d n mod 10. So now 1, 2, 3 divided by 10. Remainder is 3. So 3 will be displayed in the output. Then n is equal to n by 10. N divided by 10. So it will display, it will have new value of n, that is 12 division. Okay, be careful. Here it will give remainder, here it will give division. So 12, it will check the condition n divide n not equal to 0. Yes, it will go back. Then printf percent %d n percent 10, that is 12 divided by 10. Remainder is 3. Sorry, remainder is 2. So 2 will be displayed. then n is equal to n by 10. So here it is 1 will be displayed. Is it not equal to 0? Yes, it will go back like that. This program get execute and you will get out. Thank you for watching this video.